subjective pronouns in Maban. Today, we are talking about subjective pronouns in Maban. Again, and we start with I. When you're speaking about yourself, I have a car, I have a house. Yeah, balka, learn. Yeah, balka, un. So you're speaking to yourself, you're telling people about yourself, about who you are. What you have. I. Yeah. Eke is he. Eke, he. Eke is used for men. Used for man or guy or boy. So Eke is he. Eke is she. Eke, she. And Eke is used for a girl or girls, for a women. E is you. So E is you, individual. So E is a person, right? Individual person. Eke is more people. 3 people, 4 people, 20 people, and more. Eke is a plural noun of you. E is a singular noun of you in Maban. And Eke is a plural noun of you. Many people. You, 2, 3, or you guys. Eke. 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 Eke bene. You guys came. On. On is we. We sometimes you were included. People did something, people went to work, or people went to party, people went like playground, and you went with them, or you were with them on. And sometime you were excluded. You were not there. Group of people or people did something and you didn't. You didn't go with them. So on, we. And sometime you did something with them. So the people did something, but you were there. You were involved. Ekin, ekin, they, ekin, they. Ekin is a group of people, collective people. Ekin bia, they will come. Ekin edi, they will go home. Ek edi bunch, or they will go. Ekin edi. So Maban language, or Sudanese or black, have the same, the same meaning with other languages, the same, they have the same like verb, verbs and subject, subjects. And it is important to know your first language so that you can break things down and you can understand like really well. Because language is part of, knowledge. It's a knowledge. It's a way of communication. So to know your first language is very important, and that's why I'm teaching here, about Maban tribe language, or Maban people in Sudan or South Sudan. And this is their language. Maybe you didn't hear about Maban tribe language, but it's there. It is oral, and it exists until today. But for me, I think, I believe that language is very important to me. Like other people, do. So, and yeah, today's my lessons about subjective pronouns in Maban. And thank you.